Every week, customer reviews pile up in your inbox, and reading every single one manually is the kind of task that quietly eats hours you do not have. N8n changes that. N8n is a visual automation tool that connects the apps you already use. You build workflows by arranging boxes called nodes on a canvas, and each node does one specific job. Here is how it works. Every workflow starts with a trigger, something that fires when a specific event happens. That trigger wakes up the workflow, and then each node after it does its job and hands the result to the next one in line. Here is a real example built around customer reviews. A customer fills out a review form on your website, say a type form or a Google form. That submission is the trigger. N8n sees it the moment it arrives and starts the workflow. The first node sends that raw review text to an AI agent node inside N8n. You have given that agent a clear instruction. Read this review. Identify the main feedback themes, things like pricing, delivery speed, or product quality, and flag the overall tone. The second node takes what the AI identified and formats it into a clean, plain English internal summary. Something like customer rated packaging 4 out of 5. Main themes, shipping delay and friendly staff. Tone mostly positive. The third node sends that summary automatically to a Slack channel or a Google Sheet your team already checks, along with one suggested action item. Maybe that is follow up on shipping delay with fulfillment team. The whole thing runs in seconds. No reading, no sorting, no summarizing by hand. Now multiply that across every review you receive in a month. That is real time back in your day. N8n connects to hundreds of apps. It runs around the clock, even when your office is closed. And because you host it yourself, your data stays under your control. You do not need to automate everything at once. Start with one workflow that removes one real headache, like this one. If you want this kind of automation running inside your business, PRISC Group builds it and runs it for you. See if a pilot is a fit at priscgroup.com. Follow PRISC Group for more real automation builds. Automate relentlessly, ruthlessly.